a different morning, guys.
Today we are going to be removing the radiator, and then we are also going to be taking off the header and probably the catalytic converter because I want to keep those. I was debating on keeping the alternator. I may not sure yet, but I know for sure I want to keep the power steering pump and the high pressure line. Yeah. So finding out there's a third bar, that was hella exciting, dude, because I was like, what the fuck? Yeah, because we didn't know the trunk one was there. I popped the hood while we were buying the car and we saw the blue one and I was like, oh cool, that's Megan Racing, like that's dope. Then we popped the trunk and see the strut bar for the back and I'm like, yo, that's wet. And then when I jacked up the car to take off the coilovers, there was the rear tie bar on there too and I was like, yo, that's the full set. And then those Godspeed Mono SS coilovers, they're like fucking brand new, dude. Oh.
I think I broke the tripod.
What? How?
It just came off.
What do you mean it just came off?
It just came off.
The hell do you mean it just came off? Yeah. It's just this wire, right? Just cut it.
Well, it's going to these little legs.
The ball light.
I'm not lying, guys.
The wiring is trash. Dude, but I've always wondered how it feels to fly like a bird. You know what I mean?
I'm recording, and this is the conversations I have.
I always wonder what it feels like to be a bird.
To fly like a bird.
You know, look at his car! Oh, that shit is sexy.
We are taking a quick AutoZone break, / we're getting a matcha tea latte.
Yeah.
So, we'll be right back.
And we are taking the truck because the truck is running.
Great, it's not coming up. So I got Kay to help me because I guess I did not see a script, and it's really hard to take off.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. So pretty much took everything that I wanted off of this motor. Ew, that shit nasty. So I took the fuel rail, the fuel injectors, just as backup in case my CB7 starts having any issues with that. I took the throttle body, the idle air control valve, and anything and everything I could take from that top section. I don't want the intake manifold. If I need one, I'll just fuck around and update it. I was gonna keep the power steering pump. I still haven't decided if I want to keep the alternator or not. I just kind of don't want to deal with it, so I might just leave it on there. Both of them are brand new, so it shouldn't be an issue. Now, the one thing that I was thinking about keeping is this power steering high pressure or low pressure, one of the pressure lines. The reason being is because mine has a leak at this fitting right here. It's like a crimped fitting, so it started slowly leaking. Probably gonna end up pulling that off, and then I'm also taking the catalytic converter off. Once those are done, and then Jules is getting the mirrors off, so that way we could have some black mirrors for temporary until we paint those ones. And guys, the interior now is so trashed. So we ended up taking all the door panels out, all the interior out the back, just to see what was usable, what was worth anything. And then we just started throwing all the junk back into the car, because obviously we wanted to go with the car. The headers. We stripped down everything we could. I had somebody actually come down today. I gave them the hood bra, the grill, and the front bumper, and the valve cover in trade for some rollers. And then my boy Luis came through. He has a CB7 too. He bought the headlights, so we got that sold already. Saying bye to the parts car today. About to get sent over to pick and pull. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes the parts car. We're going to be spending some time on the other CB real soon. Just throwing those parts on, but for now, there she goes. I'm about to go back inside and go to sleep for a little bit. It's too early for this shit.